What's up everyone, my name is Tiffany and today we are talking about 7 of my favorite physical and mental benefits to hiking. Hiking can make you healthier and happier. Alright, reason number 1, it will get you outside. Studies show that being in nature reduces our stress, lowers our cortisol levels, and is also just overall relaxing. And that bright light exposure, especially early in the morning, helps regulate our circadian rhythm. I mean, sign me up. All I'm hearing is just another reason to go for that morning hike. Number 2, it allows you to disconnect. My personal kind of coping mechanism is to stay busy enough that I don't have to feel my feelings. And so hiking really kind of forces me to connect with myself, think, and process the things that I'm experiencing in my life. And it is such a healthy, good thing. I'm telling you, we can all use a little bit more disconnection, not being available, not getting the push notifications 1,072 times a day. Whew, we can only take so much. Benefit number 3. It boosts your mood. A 2015 study from Stanford University found that time spent in nature calms the portion of the brain linked to mental illness, can actually reduce your mind's tendency toward negative thought patterns. Who couldn't use a decrease in negative thought patterns? I don't know one person. I know a lot of Karens that could use it. Ooh. As if that wasn't enough, Environmental Science and Technology published study results showing that outdoor exercise has a direct correlation to greater feelings of positivity and energy and fewer feelings of tension, anger, and depression. So what I'm trying to say is you should never underestimate the happy feeling that you get from getting outside and hiking. Thank you for your time. Benefit number 4, hiking allows you to burn calories and get a good workout. What's not to love about that? Do you know that walking on an uneven trail actually burns 28 more times energy than just walking on flat ground? You can always go for burning 28 more times energy. Then you can eat 28 more times the treats. Ooh, ooh! I'm dying. I can't breathe and I'm dying. On average, a typical hike can burn 300 to 400 calories an hour. If you can get outside, be lowering your stress and cortisol levels, disconnecting, all of these other things, and at the same time you're getting a workout, tell me that's not a positive thing. Benefit number 5. Good sleep. Basically, getting a better workout is then going to allow you to sleep better because you just got your butt kicked. So, sign me up for that. That last one kind of leads me to the next benefit, which is it lowers stress. Hiking really has been scientifically proven to lower your stress and cortisol levels. Hiking really allows you to quiet your mind, because we all can use a little decompressing from time to time. And last but not least, hiking can improve your balance. Did you know most people think hiking is just a leg workout? Not the case. Depending on your pack size and weight, aka number of snacks in my case, hiking can actually be a core and stability builder, helping you to improve your balance. So there you have it. There are 7 of my favorite physical and mental benefits to hiking. I'd love to hear from you down in the comments, any that I should have included on my list. Thank you so much for watching. I've included another couple videos that I think you might like, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Ooh, ooh!